Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your path. Proverbs was written by King Solomon. He was David's son, who would become king of God's people after David. Let's look closely at Proverbs 3. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. That word trust means to rely on. It's to feel secure and confident in, to rest your weight onto something. Solomon is telling you to trust in the Lord with all your heart. To trust. When you walk into a room and you sit on a chair, unless the chair looks suspicious, you just sit down. We are accustomed to walk in and sit in a chair. In a way, you're trusting a chair not knowing that you're doing it. In a similar way, God wants you to trust Him. Rather than getting worked up, bent out of shape, stressed out, scared, and anxious all the time over everything, we just need to walk each day trusting Him. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. The word lean here is literally the opposite picture, supporting yourself, depending only on yourself. So this verse is contrasting, or showing the difference between leaning on yourself versus leaning on God. We can't lean on ourselves. It's something greater and more powerful, and that's God, who never fails. In all your ways, acknowledge Him. Acknowledging it's knowing and showing that God is who He says He is. It's giving Him the glory. And He will make straight your paths. In life, we are going to have paths, sometimes more than one, that we need to choose. And sometimes we can't see around the next curve, but God can. He does. And when we trust Him, He makes our path clear. He makes it straight so we know the way. What is the right way? Going towards Him is always the right way. Trust. Trust Him with all you have. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6.